Okay, guys, so in this video we're going to update PDF or links or downloadables on speechgates.com. So in order for us to go here, we need to go to squarespace.com, and the login is already in LastPass, so make sure you choose this. So it's Martha Fraser. So this is Martha Fraser's new client, so we are going to track this under Martha Fraser. So I already created a new project for this. It's called you see here, if I'm going to select, it's called speechgates.com. okay, so that is the name, Martha Fraser _ speechgates.com. okay, so make sure you have that project in your release when you're tracking your time with this. Okay, and then here we go. So we're going to start tracking our time from that point. And then for the login, you could just find the Squarespace. And I think this has already been shared. So let me see if this was, yeah. So shared client, Martha Fraser. So this is already shared to you. So you should be able to log in. So just go and click or find the Squarespace. Square. And just click here and go to URL, and that should lead you to the login page and allow you to log into the page. Okay, so once you are in the login space, then you will be able to log in here, speechgates.com. Just click that, and from that point you are being redirected here. So I'm going to close this so that I'm going to start to work it out. So here we go. So this is the entire face, and you will see this is a sidebar, and most likely we're going to work on the pages. So I just wanted to point out that first, this is the task. Can you update all? So I'm going to assign this to you, and the task is, you can see here, this is the talk content, toddler talk content with new links. You can see here that these are all now residing on toddler talk program Amazon S3. So we have to find this. So you see that the information is free workshop, and the other one is for program content. So we need to find this these downloadables, this 3 days scheduled tracker. So since this is a free workshop, I noticed that it's actually in this free parenting workshop. So to find that, you can see here in pages, there are two types of navigation. Number one is the one that you could find here and accessible, and the other one is for the program itself. So for example, for pre-parenting, this is an opt-in page, and the exact content for that is here at the very bottom. So you will see here we have free training workshop, but the content for this is an opt-in page here. No, actually, if I'm going to go here on the free parenting workshop, this is the page. You see that this is an opt-in page. So when they opt in it on this, they will be redirected to this page here at the very bottom, which is these videos. Okay, so these video pages. So if I click or edit this one or one of this, you will see that this is the page that they're going to be redirected. So you see that if you scroll, you see that there is a quiz button. So there's no downloadable for this yet. But if you go to video number 2, I should be able to find a downloadable here. You see it says click here to download. So if I if I hover this, you'll see that at the very bottom here, at the very bottom sidebar or status bar, you see that it has a download link. So it says online plus program. So what I'm gonna do is actually copy link address, and you will see that if I visit this page, this is called online program for parents PDF. So that's a hint. So what this PDF is all about. So it's actually online program. So I think this is it. Okay. So what I'm going to do is to actually copy this link, or let's try to open this in a new tab. Right click and open a new tab. If that is going to load, then we're good. Yes. So this is now being hosted to their Amazon S3. For this one, currently, this is being hosted on Martha Fraser's hosting. So as she instructed, she wanted all to move. She already moved it to the other Amazon S3 for client. So it's not, she no longer wanted it to be on her Amazon S3. So here we go. So now we're removing this. We're transferring this to this. So we're going to change the link of the downloadable on Squarespace. So this is Squarespace. Now we're going to edit this. How should we do that? So when you click this option, you will see that there is an edit option at the top. Okay, so click edit, and you will be inside the editing page content portion. So now if you hover any element here, you will see that you will see each element and edit portion. Okay, so we just edit this, and then we are going to update the link URL. Click through URL. So we are going to remove this and paste the new link. So there you go. And I think I would love to open this in a new tab. And there you have it. So apply. And you're good to go. So again, so save this. And what will happen is that if I hover again this one, so it's now, or it should now be hosted to the new link, which is going to, should no longer be in Martha Fraser. Okay, so that's probably it. And close this out, and proceed to the next one. So online program for PDF. So I think what I could actually do with this is that I would try to actually create subtasks here to make things trackable, free content. And then I'm going to track all this 3-day schedule. So I'm not sure yet where is 3-day schedule PDF. Oops. So because they're in a new line, 3 schedule tracker PDF, 5 easy way, easy strategies PDF. So I think it's much more ideal day PDF. Online program PDF. So this is going to be in a new line for parent.pdf. Is it correct? Parents. Then quiz results.pdf. Okay, so this one is already done, so I'm gonna check that out. So you see that I think this one I need to find those. So you just have to go through to each of these. So probably it's on the video number 3 or probably in the resources. So for the others, you just have to comment out if you can't find them. So for example, Clint, I'm not able to find this info. Can you please, or probably just comment it out here. This, I can find where this one. So I could inform, or you could inform Martha which part of the program this is going to be able, this could be where this specific PDF could be found. The next one is going to be the program content. So we are going to, so I'm not going to proceed with this, just go through here. So copy this, and then I think use common. So notice that it's 2 lines. When you actually directly paste that here, it will be 2 lines. So I think what you could do is just paste it like so. Okay, so that's it. Then you could proceed to the next one. Okay, so just copy and then try to find all of this information. So with this, regarding this is program content. This one is free workshop, so you should be able to find that on the free workshop information in these 3. But this program content is going to be here on the modules. Okay, so there are module 1, module 2, module 3, module 4. So try to find them there. Okay, so if you click edit this module 1, probably start with that. or probably start with module 4. So let's see if there is any edit. So my toddler is, this is PDF. It says my toddler is, you see here, it's here, it's there. So parent observation worksheet. So observation, you could just find it, Control F, observations. Yeah, so this is it. So all information are there. So again, if you wanted to edit this, you just click the edit here so that you will get into the edit mode of the page, and then from that, edit the button and replace the links. Okay, so just update this with a new link coming from here. And just a note, I commented here on Martha Fraser, telling her that all these program here from the program content are actually not working yet. So you can see that if you, by the way, before that, so if you copy this and open this somehow, you see that it's actually not going to load. Sales access denied because there is permission issue with that. So, but still, let's wait for Martha's response, and hopefully she will be able to update those permissions, and so these links are accessible. And by the way, so another note that I wanted to add up is that when you click this, you see that it's not actually totally linked. So if you click here, you see that it's a Maz, so it's not complete link. So somehow there's some part of the PDF that you just have to open a new tab, click open a new tab, and it will load. Or sometimes you actually have to copy this entire link so that it will work. For example, for this one, you see this one, if I'm opening a new tab, it says up to just Amas. The link in the PDF is just up to this Amas, so it's not complete link, so that's why it displays error. That's the time that I actually need to copy this entire link, and then that's going to be pasted here. So you see that it should load up. Okay, so for those, again, for those errors in the program content, these are yet non loadable, but still do the updating of the module links. Then Martha will take care of the updating of the permission, or if she will respond to me with the login details of Amazon Registry, I will be able to update that. Okay, so just follow through and add those other PDFs here, and then probably if you can find all of these, just update what you can, and then just have a conversation to its specific PDF if you have any questions. Thank you.